Hi, this is Suchitra Krishnamurthy, and do watch my interview with Nandini Roy only on Filmy Mantra. Enjoy. करो ना, अगर इफ यू फील इट तुम करो, किसने रोका है? तुम मुझे क्यों इंसल्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो?
बार बार
खुद तो हिम्मत नहीं है, चेहरा नहीं है, टैलेंट नहीं है, बस मुझे टोक रहे हो.
वो
बट आई फील ऐसे लोगों को जेल जाना चाहिए. एक तुलसी का पत्ता ऐसे नीचे डाल दो, आपके पिल्लो के नीचे डाल दो, एक क्लोव डाल दो अपने मुंह में, बहुत भाग जाएगी. You know they talk like that. Yeah.
हाँ. What do you write about Bobby and Rishi?
Fantastic. Best film. Best film ever, and everybody has to go see it.
Yeah, you lost your sister also.
I lost my sister, I lost my mom, I lost my dad, I lost my 2 dogs. अगर मुझे मेरे लिए एक्टिंग इतना स्टारडम इतना इम्पोर्टेंट था तो मैं नहीं छोड़ती. मुझे परिवार चाहिए था, मुझे घर चाहिए था, मुझे बच्चे चाहिए थे, एंड दैट इज द चॉइस आई मेड. कुछ तो लोग
Yes.
कहेंगे, यू नो,
लोगों
लोगों का
का
काम है कहना, काम धंधा है ही नहीं. और हाँ, जो मैं बहुत छोटी थी, या नाइस टू से, जब मैं बड़ी होंगी तो आई मैरी इधर इमरान खान और शेखर कपूर.
Hello everyone, this is me Nandini Roy. You're watching me only on Get Candid with Nandini Roy, powered by Filmy Mantra. Today I have a special guest on that hot seat. She is sassy, she is rebellious, she is vociferous, and she is gorgeous, who has a heart of gold. Let's dive deep into her life and know her journey. Certainly she has come up with her own podcast, so let's talk about that as well. Let's welcome Suchitra Krishnamurthy. So, welcome to my podcast, Get Candid with Nandini Roy, only on Filmy Mantra. And when are you calling me for your podcast?
Very soon, very soon. But you're not a musician, so since mine is very music centric, I'll have to think of it. हाँ, ठीक है. Yeah. So we'll think of a topic to talk about.
Yes. What is this podcast all about? And when did you think of doing this?
I've been toying with the idea of doing something, having my own podcast for a while, and it's a very crowded space.
Yeah.
And I said, I can't talk about mere pet mein gas hai, and that kind of stuff. I needed to do something that was up my street. Some people are good at it. See, they do these trending reels and everything.
Yes.
और बहुत अच्छा है. I can't do that. I feel it's not my forte. So I thought, let me do something that I have some knowledge in, some that I can speak confidently with authority on.
Yes.
And music was obviously the best choice.
And your first love.
And my first love. So I started researching it, and I just plunged into it, and I've realized it's a very hard business, very competitive business, and because the world of YouTube is so vast,
So
10
vast.
billion, the whole world, So to get that attention, and especially because my subject is so niche,
Yeah.
it's very purist, it's very niche. So, but I'm enjoying it. I'm researching it myself, I'm writing it myself. I've got my own little team together. I'm editing it myself.
You have been editing your own podcast?
Yeah, all the shots you see, everything are all mine.
Oh my God, I didn't know this. अब मैं ज़्यादा ध्यान से देखूंगी.
Yeah, please see it.
हाँ.
So some of it you'll realize कि beginning के थोड़े amateur है. Now I'm getting better at it. So I said when I'm getting into this, because I like to have fun. So in fact मैंने एक छोटा सा editing का और sound design का course भी किया. So I understand, the technicals of what is going on, since I'm plunging into something totally new. Writing I can write.
Yeah.
Music I know.
Yeah.
But the technical aspects, I wanted to have some kind of idea, so I could plan कि मैं कैसे shoot करूँगी और angles कैसे लेंगे, कहाँ पे cut लेंगे, that kind of stuff. So it's been very challenging, very exciting.
So I know that you're very creative.
Yeah.
And आप बहुत लोगों को hire कर सकती थी करने के लिए, but you made sure that you are a part of everything.
Yeah. No, I'm hiring people. I have the long edits. Some of the episodes go on for an hour and all. वो मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm doing the shorts.
Yeah.
And I'm doing the smaller pieces. But I think it's and if I'm not constantly doing something, मेरा कुछ हो जाता है. So it's better to just.
You're always on the go.
Yeah, always. I like to just keep creating.
Are you creating controversies on your podcast?
No.
Like us, the journalist, the media?
No, I'm not. And that's one thing I would like to assure my guests, because I have borne the brunt of it. मैंने इतना सफर किया है thanks to this clickbait media and this, obsession with some negative headlines.
Yeah.
So in fact, there are some stories I've done season 1. And season 2 में I'm talking to a few people who had very controversial lives. In fact, एक की murder भी हुई है supposedly.
Okay.
But I'm still putting it across as a music story. I'm not putting it as a crime story or something,
Yeah.
because ultimately it is the music stories.
Yeah.
And I want to say that my channel is called the Suchitra Krishnamurti Show.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Give it up for the Suchitra Krishnamurti show, and a warm welcome to you on my show.
Yes, thank you. So no, because a lot of people are, when they see my, my social media, my
Yeah.
Facebook and my Insta, they go and they're clicking and saying we subscribe to some different, then they send me photos of कोई और channels है, fans के channels है, ये
अच्छा.
किसी और ने बनाया channel. I'm like, this is not my channel, this is not my show.
So people have created.
I mean, there are,
your
I've
fake
been around for so long. I don't know if they're fake channels, but मेरा content है, मेरा photo है.
Yeah.
एक तो so many of my friends told me, अरे we've subscribed, and they sent me one एक लाल picture है. I said, this is not my channel.
सबको report करो ना.
हाँ,
एक दिन
it's a
बैठ के social
process.
media team को बोलो report all these channels.
Yeah. No, but my songs are there, my interviews are there, purane.
Oh.
So they've used my content, but they're like fan sites or,
Fan
created
sites,
by
yeah.
other people. So mine is called the Suchitra Krishnamurti Show. देखिएगा जरूर.
मैं तो देखे भी हैं, वो संजीव जी का देखा है और कावेरी का देखा था. And when I saw mother daughter having that chit chat and heart to heart conversation, I genuinely watched it till the end.
Thank you.
ऐसे ही नहीं बोल रही.
Yeah.
और क्या चल रहा है? What's been up apart from podcast?
Podcast, I'm writing a lot, so I'm hoping to write and direct a film very soon. देखते हैं.
Writing and directing the film?
Yeah.
That is new.
Yeah. So देखते हैं ना.
Romantic film बनाएंगे क्या?
100%. No darkness.
कुणाल कोहली के साथ.
हाँ. कुणाल कोहली तो खुद डायरेक्टर है. वो खुद लिखते भी है. मेरा सब्जेक्ट क्यों लेंगे?
क्योंकि मेरे साथ जब उनकी chat हो रही थी तो बहुत adamant थे that good romantic films are not coming, heroes are not doing good romantic films. I will show you that people are still waiting for romantic films, and I will make
but Bobby
one.
and Rishi did so well.
It did so well.
Yeah.
Top
so I
top
think that,
1, top
yeah,
10 trending.
Yeah, trending for like a period of time.
Yeah.
So I think definitely, और see, I think लोग भी थक गए, darkness and violence and sex and things have become too much.
I agree.
Too much. So when you can go back to something innocent, it was like, सांस लो. It's clean, it's happy, it's like even the conflict कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है. कोई बड़ा villain नहीं है. जैसे life में कोई villain नहीं होता है. Your own thoughts, your own confusion is the villain sometimes.
And we should have a mix of all kinds of genre and not just stick to one because it's doing one, because Animal is doing good, Pushpa is doing good, because these are
I didn't even see those films because I knew I would have such a strong reaction.
You haven't watched Animal
or Pushpa.
Why?
Because I knew itni charcha chal rahi thi, and I'm a very reactive and combustible person.
Yes.
So I said it's better that I don't see it and have an opinion than have an opinion and be
landed up in controversy.
Yeah, and be forced to express it, because sometimes my opinions are so strong. I'm like, मैं ऐसे बैठती हूँ पर यहाँ नीचे से निकल आता है, So नहीं तो हाथ बांधती हूँ तो मुंह से निकल आता है, मुंह पे टेप लगाती हूँ तो हाथ से निकल आता है, So I said better to not watch.
But
no, and I respect their success. See, art is so subjective.
Have you decided that you will never watch Animal?
Yes.
Never.
I never say never.
Yeah.
I think in anything you can never say never.
Yeah.
So, but as of now, I've not seen it.
So we can expect a romantic genre from Suchitra Krishnamurti in time to come.
Yes.
For sure.
Romantic comedy. Yes.
Romantic comedy. Oh wow, we love rom-coms.
Yeah.
I think
हम
तो man, films हम जो पुराने ज़माने में बनते थे हमारे, we want those films back.
Yeah. Well, let's see. I'm still writing. कोई किसी को पैसे देने चाहिए मुझे to direct it. It's a very difficult business. I'm not delusional. So let's see.
Are you aging gracefully? Are you embracing your aging? Because I just heard that बहुत लोगों ने लिखा कि सुचित्रा डल लग रही है, परेशान लग रही है. She's not looking beautiful as she used to look in the film, which was like 30 years back.
I am not a teenager.
Yeah.
And I'm a very grown woman with a very grown child. And I'm not trying to look young, and I'm not trying to look something I'm not.
Yeah.
So I think this ageism is something people are really obsessed with, especially in India. So I'm like, get a life है, अपने खुद के चेहरे को देखो, उसको संभालो.
I saw that video.
Yeah.
It was trending everywhere.
No, and I've noticed the people who are passing these comments are always the one who've let go, who are looking shit, who are feeling shit about themselves.
Yeah.
So they want to pull other people down. So I feel my life, my face, my business.
Yeah.
अगर आपको ठीक नहीं लग रहा है मत देखो भाई. अगर आपको ठीक लग रहा है तो स्माइल करो.
Yeah.
So no, I find this obsession with women's looks so extreme. या तो बोलते हैं, my God, you've not changed a bit. और बोलते हैं कि you're not looking after yourself.
Yeah.
So either way, it shows the person's obsession with a woman's looks. Yes. or a celebrity's looks.
Yeah.
They never see that there is something beyond that.
And aging is a natural process. I mean,
no, and see, however you want to age is your prerogative. So अगर लोग करते हैं कुछ तो बोलते हैं प्लास्टिक सर्जरी करते हैं, मैं भी कर सकती थी पर मैंने नहीं किया. अरे किसने रोका आपको? करो ना. और अगर किसी को नहीं करना है तो क्यों बोल रहे कि करो? The thing is, this need to contradict and shove your own stupid opinion down everybody's throat.
Correct.
Is moronic.
It
is really moronic. It's like, and somewhere it stems from a lot of personal insecurity. Just say, yeah, the way even these
lack of confidence
and खुद करने की हिम्मत नहीं होती है तो दूसरों को pull down करो.
Also the beauty standards that our Bollywood industry has created. I don't know how to say that. I mean, when I met Kaveri, your daughter, I was smitten by her beauty. She looked so beautiful, so elegant, so classy. And so naturally, I mean, ये बात मैं इसलिए यहाँ कहना चाह रही हूँ because I have met other actresses, other young lot like, Ananya Pandey and Suhana and Shanaya, Janvi, Khushi. I have met all of them and they all have undergone surgery. I mean, I'm not saying it's bad. You all can go and enhance your beauty. But ये मुझे लगता है compulsory है अब कि यंग लॉट को जाने ही. आप नायसा देवगन को देखिए कि पहले वो कैसी थी और अब कैसी है. तो 90s के ज़माने में, आप 90s से हैं, 90s के ज़माने में आप देखिए रवीना, करिश्मा, आप, इतनी सारी एक्ट्रेस है, दे आर नेचुरली सो ब्यूटीफुल. शिल्पा. एंड अब ये एक चलन, एक दौर बन गया है, एक ट्रेंड बन गया है कि किसी भी यंग लॉट का, यंग एक्ट्रेसेस अगर आएंगी, लॉन्च होंगी, उनको सबसे पहले एक डर्मैट, एक कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट दे दिया जाता है. तो क्या ये तो ऑलरेडी
if somebody wants to look a particular way, कोई force तो नहीं कर रहा है.
नहीं.
If somebody wants to look a particular way, तो what is the problem? तो अगर कोई honestly बोलता है, जैसे खुशी ने बोला मैंने किया, उसको ट्रोल करते हैं. अगर कोई बोले कि मैं इसमें नहीं मानती हूँ तो बोलते हैं कि करो भाई, तुम्हारा चेहरा इतना खराब है.
Yes.
So it either way, their life, their face, and
their
mind you, आप 90s की बात कर रहे हैं. 90s में कुछ the monies and the industry was very different. हम लोग खुद कभी कभी मेकअप करके जाते थे. The economics was very different. आजकल you see each of them, see the money is riding on these kids and yes. every newcomer.
They're buying house and cars and bungalows
and
at
also
the age of...
the economics are very different. The pressure is very different. So and science has advanced so much.
Yeah.
हमारे ज़माने में we didn't even know about these things. You know what I'm saying? There were people who were doing it probably, but we didn't even know.
Yeah.
In fact, अभी बैठे हैं यहाँ मेरे सामने, आप मुझे बोल रहे थे मेरा frown line दिख रहा है. He's trying to remove the crease. I said frown line आ जाता है. I can do Botox if I want to, but I'm okay with the frown line.
So Chitra Krishnamurthy is 100% natural. I can totally see that, and you're beautiful and gorgeous. Let me tell you all.
So see, if I want to do anything, मैं करूँगी. I don't need anybody's permission or sanction or validation.
Yeah.
And I feel that's true of everybody. तो ये इतनी criticism क्यों है? आपको लगता है सिर्फ actresses करती हैं? You think the actors don't do? आपको लगता है high society में नहीं करते? वो तो और भी करते हैं.
करते ही हैं, मैं जानती हूँ.
इतना करते हैं. It has become a culture,
Yeah.
So you should. I don't think there's anything. I think just to each their own.
To each their own. But मैं ये कहना चाह रही हूँ कि अब ये क्या ये सारी एक्ट्रेसेस, they are beautiful, but क्योंकि 4 लोग और करा रही हैं, 4 न्यू एक्ट्रेसेस और करा रही हैं, तो मुझे भी कराना पड़ेगा टू लुक पिक्चर परफेक्ट एंड टू हैव अ गुड लॉन्चिंग। मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं है ना, एक ट्रेंड को फॉलो कर रही हैं ये लड़कियां, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। ना चाहते हुए भी दे आर लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल, बट स्टिल बिकॉज जानवी खुशी ने करा तो मैं भी करा लेती हूँ। ऐसा भी होता है, पीयर प्रेशर में भी, आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज यंग लॉट्स तो मैं जो भी मिल रही हूँ, जिनसे भी मिल रही
I'll tell you, मेरे इतने आउट ऑफ शोबिज फ्रेंड्स हैं, उन्होंने इतना काम कराया है, उनके बच्चों ने, I mean, I know people who have broken their jaw and redone it,
yeah,
not even connected to showbiz, not even
yeah,
connected to whatever, but bas they want to do it, और पैसे है, अपॉर्चुनिटी है, एंड पहले जो ऑपरेशन बहुत बड़ा लगता था, अभी कैजुअल हो गया है,
casual,
सो आई एम नॉट एंडोर्सिंग इट, बट आई फील अगर कोई कर रहा है, यार माइंड योर ओन बिजनेस, लोगों को जीने दो, चैन से जीने दो। अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको करके भी आप अच्छे लगेंगे तो आप करो ना, हिम्मत नहीं होती है किसी की, सिर्फ टोकते हैं बस। like I tell you, when I started modeling, I was barely 14-15. मेरी सिस्टर की एक फ्रेंड होती थी, and every time she would come home and she would see my picture, she would say, if I put on so much makeup and I get photographed like this, I can also do it, I'll also look so good. So for a long time I was polite. I said, tu karo na. तुम करो ना, अगर इफ यू फील इट तुम करो, किसने रोका है? तुम मुझे क्यों इंसल्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो?
बार बार
खुद तो हिम्मत नहीं है, चेहरा नहीं है, टैलेंट नहीं है, बस मुझे टोक रहे हो, so I feel that is the mentality. It stems from a need yours, so that people are so insecure that they want to pull others down.
I'm sure.
Yeah,
I'm sure. Also, there is skin color bias. Do you think it still exists in India?
I think it's getting much better. Huh? It's getting much better. Much better. Thank God.
Thank God.
Thank God. Earlier it was only Fair and Lovely, and in fact, I must tell you, I've refused that campaign in my very, very early days. So, but now you see, there's people are, in fact, inclusivity is becoming such a big thing now. Even the OTTs, they're insisting that people who are like from a minority or from these states, or a handicapped person or something, that everybody must be included, and there can be no bias on certain specifications which ruled earlier.
Yeah, I agree.
क्योंकि वैसे तो अगर आप ऐसे देखें तो it's the like I tell Kaveri, drop the Kapoor. Every second person is Kapoor. तो chance मिलने को, there must be people who think, अरे यार मुझे कपूर होना चाहिए था. Yeah. So, but now things are becoming very inclusive, I feel.
Yeah.
And dark skin is very sexy.
Is well accepted now.
Yeah, and it's very sexy. I think
very
it's
sexy.
Very sexy.
लोग
tan लगाते हैं यार.
हाँ.
India में there's such a bias about color, and you go to the West and they're darkening their skin.
Darkening their skin.
They rely in the sun for like hours.
That's the difference.
Yeah.
The mindset.
So I think you basically crave what you don't have. It's human nature.
Yeah. अच्छा, आपको वो याद है अभी कुंभ के मेले में वो जो लड़की थी मोनालिसा, जिसकी आंखें बहुत खूबसूरत थी, बहुत वायरल हुआ था. Are you aware of this?
Yes.
She was dark skin.
Yeah, beautiful.
See, so beautiful.
Yes. Beautiful.
All right. Since I know Kaveri told me you have been on dating apps, you told me also, and then you're looking out for some proposals, but सब friend zone कर रहे हैं. अभी बताओ आप, are you ready for relationship?
वो friend zone नहीं कर रहे हैं, मैं friend zone.
अच्छा, आप कर रहे हो?
मैंने कर दिया सबको friend zone.
क्यों?
क्योंकि मैं actually I realized that I'm very happy.
Yeah.
In fact, I was telling, in fact, मेरे जो साथ आए हैं मेरे दोस्त, मैं उनको नहीं बोल रही थी, ये same conversation आई, and एक ने तो मुझे शादी प्रपोज की थी, who I met on this dating app that Kaveri put me on, and he was very insistent, and he was like, करते हैं, and very nice gentleman, very well off, everything. तो मैंने मेरे एक पंडित जी है, जनार्दन पंडित जी, quite popular in Bollywood, मैं उनसे जाके मिली उस वक्त, मैंने बोला, पंडित जी ये बोल रहे हैं शादी करने को, मैं क्या करूं? अच्छे हैं, मतलब कुछ गलत नहीं है, अच्छे हैं, मुझे भी मतलब ठीक लगते हैं, और वो बोल रहे हैं अभी करना है. तो पंडित जी looked at me, he said, करना है तो करो, it will break up, ये टिकेगा नहीं. This शादी is not meant to happen.
शादी is not meant to happen.
This शादी is not.
This शादी, but in general शादी अगर होती तो टिक सकती.
Yeah, not if I have, if not, if
So-
it's in my control, if it's in God's control, kya pata?
So just because the pandit told you that shadi cannot
No, I'm
happen.
saying it as a joke, you know.
Acha.
It's not like I had gone to him for something else, and I also
Yeah.
mentioned this, and he
Yeah.
was like, करना है तो करो, टूट जाएगा.
मुझे आपको मुझे
तो मैंने वो, I mean, he's become my friend now, that person I'm talking about.
Yeah.
We are in touch. So मैंने again he was like, चलो यार शादी करते हैं. I said, पंडित जी ने ये बोला, सोच लो. हाँ? You want शादी to टूट हो? It's best we remain friends, na?
Hilarious.
Yeah.
I think after this you should go to Sushil ji, who has been making
I
headlines.
find him obnoxious. I'm sorry. I in fact tweeted it. I
know.
tweeted it. You astrologers. My father was a very good astrologer.
Really?
frankly.
We didn't know this.
He was a fantastic, right from Shah Rukh to everybody. He has never been wrong. You know, I have friends who used to own and run airlines, and very big people in business, and actor friends. एक दो actor friends को उन्होंने बोला था कि ऐसा ऐसा होगा. They used to all consult him. एक एक्टर जो उस वक्त 90s में बहुत बड़े एक्टर थे, मेरे डैडी के पास आए थे, और डैडी ने उनको साफ बोला था कि इस वक्त तक टाइम अच्छा चलेगा, और इसके बाद यू मस्ट स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट अदर ऑप्शंस.
Okay.
यू नो, तुम एक्टिंग कंटिन्यू करोगे पर इस लेवल पे नहीं रहोगे. तो टू सस्टेन योरसेल्फ मटेरियली, यू नो, यू मस्ट. सो शाहरुख के बारे में फुल्ली कहा था. एंड you know, business people I've seen ki before going on a big venture like airline kharidne ke liye and all, they would come and consult my dad. So I'm not new to astrology, and one thing I know is that no genuine astrologer will talk such negative nonsense.
And
even
never
if they
predict
see
death.
it, it's against the ethic.
No.
It is against death दिखता है. I'll tell you an example. एक बार मेरे भाई डॉक्टर है, सर्जन है, तो उनके फ्रेंड्स आए थे just to, because you know a lot of doctors are atheists. वो मानते नहीं है. They feel everything is science. तो उन्होंने, they came and consulted my dad, and my daddy was very soft natured, very gentleman. So but I remember sitting there, मैं बहुत छोटी थी तब, काफी छोटी थी, and daddy got really angry and his face got red, you know. So we were all wondering what happened, and he threw that horoscope down like this, and he said, if you don't believe it, don't mock it. This is a dead man's horoscope you have given me. So from the horoscope, he could see that the person is no more.
Oh my God.
So these people had just got some, you know, whatever, maybe some cadaver ka date of birth and this and that, and given it to my dad, and dad said, this person is no more. If you don't believe it, don't insult it, don't mock it. And he asked them to leave the house.
So accurate and so
Yeah.
good at it.
So astrology is a very accurate science, but aisa fear mongering to create such negativity and fear and panic in the public domain, I think is irresponsible. और ये जो भी बंदे हैं, I don't ever want to meet him, and किसी को उनको लेना नहीं चाहिए अपने शो में.
A lot of podcasters are calling him. Siddharth also called him.
I know, मैंने वही शो देखा. In fact, मैंने सिद्धार्थ को ट्वीट भी किया कि show some responsibility. You know, we are not just doing a podcast for that YouTube income.
Yeah.
We also have a responsibility to society. You know, you cannot
and that
spread
is
such
one of
stuff.
the most viewed podcast. That particular episode with Sushil ji.
Because it's so negative and
He
such.
is saying that Salman Khan is going to die.
What a horrible
at the
man
age
he
of
is.
67 because of some Gupt bimari. Now you understand what he's trying to say. Saif and Kareena will get separated next year, 2026.
It's disgusting. I think that Sushil Kumar, whatever he said, was disgusting.
Yeah.
To say it in on a public platform was irresponsible, and you know, that's why all these जैसे डॉक्टर के लाइसेंस होते हैं ना, I think astrology and all should also be they should start regulating it.
Yeah.
You know, they should start regulating it so no quack can come and talk any nonsense, you know.
Agreed. Yes.
एक क्लोव ले लो, एक ये ले लो, तुम नहीं मरोगे. It's literally as dumb as that. It's become as ridiculous as that, you know. एक तुलसी का पत्ता ऐसे नीचे डाल दो, आपके पिल्लो के नीचे डाल दो, एक क्लोव डाल दो अपने मुंह में, बहुत भाग जाएगी. You know, they talk like that. Yeah, it's become so ridiculous, and this was, I feel, at that level. So one must not take his words seriously, because according to him कोई बचेगा ही नहीं, सब मर रहे हैं, सब शादियां टूट रही हैं, सब मर रहे हैं. You know, it's like he's predicting the whole,
It's just spreading negativity, and you know, मुझे लगता है कहीं वो जेल ना चले जाए बहुत जल्दी, जिस तरह से वो.
But I feel ऐसे लोगों को जेल जाना चाहिए, because they are fear mongering. Yes. They are fear mongering. You know.
Agreed.
Yeah, they're fear mongering. It's not correct.
So since you told me that your dad used to be a very good
Yeah, yeah.
astrologer and renowned, didn't he predict your future?
Yeah, he did.
He did?
Yeah, but you know, when it comes to your children, my dad used to always say, मुझे ठीक नहीं दिखता है, because they are very sensitive about their own kids and they feel they can't see it properly. You know.
So you'll ask him, क्या ठीक नहीं दिखता?
He passed away sadly 2 years ago. So
Oh.
yeah. But sab Shubh Mangal.
Shubh
Shubh
Mangal.
Mangal, I don't know if it's the word. Shubh, yeah.
Yeah, you lost your sister also.
I lost my sister, I lost my mom, I lost my dad, I lost my 2 dogs, I lost my 2 very close friends.
The dogs that I met?
Yes.
Those two?
All in the span of 5 years. So I've had like an avalanche of loss. And my whole perspective of life has completely changed.
You know what? I also lost my brother last year to brain cancer.
Oh my God.
And he was just 34.
Oh God.
And now I'm the only child, and my mom, dad, bas. And you know how relatives are. We were never really close to our relatives. So it's just me, my mom, and dad. So I genuinely want to know from you, what do I do? आप कैसे निकली इन चीज़ों से बाहर? आपने इतने लोगों को खोया. आप कैसे कोप कर रही हैं? मैं कुछ सीखना चाहती हूँ और सभी लोग सीखना चाहते हैं.
See, it's very tough. I think you have to just give it time. You have to give it time. And अभी भी अगर मैं बात करने लगूँ, सोचने लगूँ, तो रो पड़ूंगी. But you have to give it time and you have to understand this is life. You know, this is life, and there's always something happening that's beyond your control, and and focus on the good. I mean, I always think that I spend so many happy moments, and मुझे यही बहुत बड़ी बात है कि dad of course passed away in Coimbatore, but the last 1.5 years of mom's life, I was able to be with her, keep her with me, and look after her, and you know, give her all the love that probably we never shared throughout our lives, you know, because we always had a very kind of strained relationship. So I think it's part of life, and one has to just what do? You have to accept it. You have to be graceful. You have to be kind. And मैं तो I don't know, मैं higher forces में बहुत मैं भगवान पे भरोसा करती हूँ बस.
So it's only been अभी 1 year complete भी नहीं हुआ है. I think 4th May is the
That's very
day,
very
so-
difficult, very very
So
difficult.
मुझे ना मैं अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस बता रही हूँ कि मुझे ना ऐसे आभास होता है. I feel his energy and his presence
No,
basically.
that's normal.
Huh?
I used to go around the house talking to my sister, and people used to worry कि I've lost it, you know.
Yeah.
When my sister passed away, I would have conversations loudly because to me she was there.
Yeah.
You know, she was there, and I'm actually, and then I would suddenly see that my staff is looking at me in a particular way, and but I don't think we should be ashamed of our grief. You know, if we can revel in our joy.
Yeah.
Let's not be ashamed of our grief either. It's part,
Yeah.
and there's just two sides of the same coin.
But life is definitely difficult. I mean, emotionally, I would just say that it's.
But once you lose somebody so close to you, life is never the same. I think your whole perspective of life changes.
Yeah.
You know, so these frivolous things don't matter. Don't matter. You just want every moment of yours to be filled with like some kind of kindness and some joy.
Yeah.
And something like creative, something happy. You know, all this negative much no, just it automatically goes, because life is so unpredictable.
अब जब मैं आपकी बात करूँ तो मुझे लग रहा है your husband, your mother, your father,
My
your
sister.
sister, they all have gone. Now you're alone. Basically अगर देखूं तो आप दुनिया में अकेली हैं. अगर रिश्तेदार नहीं रहे, मम्मी पापा नहीं रहे, उस तरह से देखो तो मैं अपने आप को हमेशा ऐसे सोचती हूँ कि यार अभी तो एटलीस्ट मम्मी पापा हैं, वो भी नहीं रहे तो मैं अकेली हो जाऊंगी.
जब मम्मी पापा गए, though they were, I mean, they was, you know, they were in their 80s, so they had lived their life.
Yeah.
आप कितने भी old हो, you always need that parent figure, you know. You always need to feel. I mean, you're so used to that, especially for me, because I was such a daddy's girl. It was always like, dad is there, na? Everything will be fine. So yeah, it's called growing up, adulting. We have to finally start adulting.
आपको रोना आता है?
बहुत आता था, but I don't. अभी आता है, but not so much. Not so much, because I think I've come to terms with it. In fact, now that you're reminding me, I can't remember the last time I cried. ना फूट फूट के, and I might get teary eyed. मैं तो रील देख के भी आंसू निकल आते हैं. आज मैंने एक डॉगी का रील देखा तो आंसू निकल आए, बट not cry. I don't think I've cried for a long time.
आप अंदर से खुश हैं? Are you in a bliss? Are you living a happy life? Is your soul happy?
I think my soul is happy. I think I'm very restless. So I'm not. I don't believe in the toxic positivity of, oh, life is great and everything is great. But I'm not unhappy
Either.
I'm not unhappy either, and I feel I have wasted so much time already on things that didn't deserve my time and attention, that I don't have it to waste anymore. So I've just, even if, I have, I avoid the company of people who bicker, who crib. I'm like, कुछ जाके काम करो यार, कुछ creative करो, कुछ, go and sit in an orphanage and feed them. Do something. Come out of your own head. I think it's very important to come out of your own head and realize you have so much to be grateful for.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, मैं अगर बताऊँ तो after my brother's demise, I think I become more spiritual. पता नहीं, spiritual has become a fad, by the way. कि I'm spiritual. आजकल बहुत
I never use that word.
बोलते हैं. हाँ. So वही मैंने फिर बोला कि I don't know how to say. But yes, मुझे मंत्र chanting, मैं बहुत पूजा, मंत्र चैंटिंग करना, यूनिवर्स से बातें करना, कुछ कुछ मैं करती रहती हूँ और मुझे अच्छा लगता है. What's working to each their own.
Yeah.
आपने जब इतने लॉसेस सहे हैं, आप कुछ ऐसी नुस्खे करती हैं खुद के सोल के लिए?
I'll tell you, I told you, I lost my sister, I lost my parents, I lost my dogs, I lost my 2 very close friends. And it sounds terrible. A very close friend's son, 14-year-old son, passed away. And my brother slipped into an advanced stage of Alzheimer's through all this. So he was a world-renowned surgeon. Matlab, there's a technique called the Krishnamurti technique. He's an andrologist. Okay. So it's deals with, he's a surgeon for erectile dysfunction. Okay. And both first kiye hain, first female to male transplant surgery in the country. Matlab, very renowned, world renowned. He was the first Indian doctor on the WHO board. Okay. So a very renowned doctor, surgeon, and suddenly he slipped into this and then rapidly deteriorated into a very advanced stage. So अभी मेरे डॉक्टर, मेरे भाई जो इतने बड़े बड़े, यू ट्रैवल द वर्ल्ड, एक दिन जर्मनी में सर्जरी है, एक दिन सिंगापुर में कॉन्फ्रेंस है, दैट काइंड ऑफ डॉक्टर, अभी ही कैन नॉट ट्रैवल फ्रॉम द ड्राइंग रूम टू द बेडरूम, क्योंकि ही इज इन सच एन एडवांस स्टेज ऑफ अल्जाइमर. सो यू फील ये भगवान का प्लान क्या है, ये प्लान क्या है, एंड यू मस्ट, दैट्स व्हाई आई फील मोर, एंड द मोर आई सी ऑल दिस, द मोर ग्रेटफुल आई फील that my faculties are intact, my brain is intact. So somebody who comments on my wrinkle or my forehead frown, I feel they're moronic and they're very shallow, because these things don't matter, because life can be so difficult for so many people,
and could be so sudden and unpredictable.
So sudden and unpredictable. One day you're like this, some things change for the better, for the worse. So the main thing is to try and stay in the present, not in the future, not in the past.
Just the present.
कि मैं अभी यहाँ बैठी हूँ आपके साथ इंटरव्यू कर रही हूँ, इस पे फोकस करूँ मैं, यहाँ जो बोलना है मैं ढंग से बोलूँ, ढंग से निकलूँ, कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं क्रिएट
करूँ. हाँ. But you are doing good. आपने बहुत zip up किया हुआ है, मैं कोई कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं देख रही हूँ आपका.
मैं बोर हो गई यार कंट्रोवर्सी से, मैं बोर हो गई सी, because now when Kaveri was very small, it didn't matter. But now, whatever I do, it's going to affect her. Like earlier, I saw a movie, I thought it was shit. I would just say it. I would write a big one-page blog on it, Now I keep quiet.
What do you write about Bobby and Rishi?
Fantastic. Best film. Best film ever, and everybody has to go see it. So I'm saying, like, I've learned to zip up because I don't feel that it's fair that my actions have an adverse effect on her life.
Yeah.
Or my speech or my behavior.
And she's so sensitive. I think she's gone through a lot.
She's gone through a lot already, So I wouldn't want to subject her to any, not just controversy, but also, for example, when she was growing up, it was only music. हमें पता ही नहीं था she wants to act. So Kunal offered her this film. She auditioned. She got the part, and then she told us.
Yeah, she told me.
Yeah. So we didn't even know. So Kunal had met her at the Mauritius Film Festival. She was there with her dad, and वो घूम रही थी. She had gone there with her best friend, boating.
Huh.
And then I think 1 year later or 18 months later or something, uh, he called her and so उसने audition किया and she got the part, and then she told us, and we were taken aback.
Yeah.
And we were like, of course, go and give it. See, before that, she had been offered Secret Superstar. She was very small. She was just 13 or something at that time. And she refused to even put herself on camera. She was like, but I'm telling you, I'm not interested.
Secret Superstar, the film with
Amir. Yeah.
Oh, that one.
Yeah. So at that point, they were like, we just want to see her on camera, and it's a very good part. Ye wo. She was like, but I'm telling you, I'm not interested. So, and even before she left for college, there was another film she was offered. She just ignored it. She said, no, I'm leaving for college. I'm not interested.
She was so disinterested. What made her say yes to Bobby and Rishi K love story?
I don't know. That's, I think, Kunal's magic.
Hannah?
And also by then maybe she had discovered her, she felt more confident, or she felt more open to things,
And I feel Kaveri is so pure. I mean, जब मैं उससे बात भी करी थी ना, तो बहुत pure है. I mean, बहुत naive है, मासूम है.
Yeah.
So मैं उससे पूछा कि, I mean, Bollywood is a, darkest place, one of the darkest places for sure. I mean, how are you going to navigate your career and journey here? And मैंने बहुत खूबसूरत लाइन बोली थी कि मैं challenges ले रही हूँ, और मेरे साथ मेरा परिवार है, ये नहीं तो कुछ और कर लूँगी, but मैं डर के पीछे नहीं भागूंगी. Let me give it a try.
Yeah.
And
see, I don't feel it's necessary that, of course, it's a very competitive and very hard business.
Yeah.
And it's also, more than anything, I feel the film business is very destiny oriented. There are a billion talented people. So it's very kind of, everything has to align at the right time.
Yeah.
Like for this offer to come to her, Kunal Kohli, fantastic
He was
director.
already your friend, no?
Not my friend, Shekhar's friend.
Shekhar.
I don't think I've even met him before.
Okay.
And of course, when he, and so that, so things, destiny has a way of panning out and working out.
Yeah.
And you have to be open to it. But I don't feel that everybody necessarily has to have a bad experience. For all you know, her experience so far, it's been good.
It's been good.
And of course, it's very competitive. It's very hard. But at a certain level, any business, to excel, is those last 10 steps are extremely hard.
I agree.
कोई fluke नहीं होता.
कोई fluke नहीं होता. But do you think Bollywood is still a devil's world?
I don't think so at all.
Because if parents used to think back then.
But that was their conditioning. And see, I was brainwashed by that conditioning. And then I realized that it's not. In fact, of course, it's competitive and everything, but it's also a very nice place, and it's a very लोग बोलते हैं nepo, but I feel it's a very family oriented and nice place,
See, everything has its own pros and cons.
Yeah.
I'm sure यहाँ भी वो होगा.
Yeah.
तो आपके according कुछ ऐसी चीजें जो Bollywood में है, like the dark sides of Bollywood, and you think should be, उसको ठीक करने की एक कोशिश जरूर करनी चाहिए for its betterment. वो क्या चीजें हैं? वो क्या
I feel a corporate culture जो आई है, that is killing film.
Yeah.
That is killing film, because people who are controlling what film is being made and not made are not passion driven. They are job security driven.
Yeah.
उनको सिर्फ they are treating acting and filmmaking like they treat rubber and steel. They're treating it like a commodity, whereas film is still a passion business. It's still an emotion driven. It's a creative business. So I think it's largely being, लोग बोलते हैं theaters में नहीं आते हैं, ये नहीं आते हैं, but it's because it's too commoditized. You cannot treat film like, आपने स्टील प्लांट नहीं लगाया भाई, इंसान है, इमोशन है, यू नो, फीलिंग्स है, क्रिएटिविटी है. So and it's this whole culture of people just trying to save their jobs, you know. Owners are not making the films, they're employing people to make, to commission the films, sanction the films, you know. तो वो तो दूसरों के पैसे के साथ खेल रहे हैं और फिर अपना जजमेंट लगा रहे हैं कि यार मुझे ये वो प्रमोशन मिलना चाहिए, मुझे क्या बोलते हैं आप, असेसमेंट कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में, you know. So it's very driven by that, and it's largely driven by safety and cowardice.
So Bollywood is now seen as money-making mechanism.
That's what it's become. That's too money-oriented.
So creativity has gone for a toss.
Yeah. So because money cannot ensure quality.
Yeah. Have you heard of blog booking?
Of course. Sure. Yeah.
बहुत हो रहा है ना?
बहुत हो रहा है. But that's killing the industry also, na? Yeah. That's killing the industry. And see, things are what they are, but also so much at stake. So much at stake. अगर आप एक 70, 60, 70 करोड़ के फिल्म में 40 करोड़ को एक्टर को दे रहे हैं और वो एक्टर 5 करोड़ भी ला नहीं रहा है, आउट ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी वो एटलीस्ट 10 करोड़ का खरीदेगा ना कुछ, यू नो, सो दैट ही एटलीस्ट गेट्स हिज नेक्स्ट फिल्म.
अच्छा, मुझे आपसे एक बात जाने, ये मेरा पर्सनल सवाल है, मेरे दिमाग में बहुत चलता रहता है एंड मुझे लगता है आप मुझे जवाब दे सकती हैं. सो हर फील्ड में, हर जॉब में एक सर्टेन अमाउंट होता है कि चलो 50 लाख, 1 करोड़, 10 करोड़, 20 एक होता है. बट फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जहाँ पे 200 करोड़ इस एक्टर को मिल गया, 100 करोड़ इस एक्ट्रेस को मिल गया. मतलब पैसों की सीमाएं, जो लिमिटेशन है, कुछ है ही नहीं. तो मतलब आम आदमी या मतलब मेरे को
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई डोंट नो ये फिगर्स कितने ट्रू है.
अक्षय कुमार करते हैं एड्स, 35 करोड़ लेते हैं एक ऐड करने का. शाहरुख खान करते हैं.
बट लोग जो इनको पैसे दे रहे हैं बुद्धू तो नहीं है ना, उनको लगता है रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा तभी तो दे रहे हैं. लोग बुद्धू तो नहीं है. अगर कोई डिमांड कर रहा है ऐसा और उनको दे रहे हैं, सी अल्टीमेटली इफ देयर इज नो होप ऑफ रिटर्न, कोई नहीं देगा. So when people are paying these stars, there is still a hope of return.
More than what these actors are making.
But they अगर आप, मैं बोलूं ये कॉफी मैं आपको बेच रही हूँ 1000 rupees में, you won't buy it, na?
Yeah.
But if I make something of it, saying that, you know what, if you sell this coffee somewhere else, because it's so rare and it's something special, you can sell it for 5,000. You will buy it for 1,000.
Yeah.
So it's ultimately business, you know. So you can't say that ये जो पैसे दे रहे हैं through these actors और ये जो कमा रहे हैं, I think, you know, I feel film is a director's medium and a writer's medium, but I feel that लोग जो पैसा डाल रहे हैं उनका भी कुछ लॉजिक होगा ना डालने को.
Yes. So 90s Bollywood versus Bollywood of today's time.
Oh, I think the cinema is much better. It's much more organized. It's a far more decent place, you know. 90s Bollywood was very, if you know, it was very, parts of it were very dodgy, underworld dominated. और बकवास फिल्में बनती थी, बकवास. मतलब so definitely I think Indian cinema has evolved a lot, and for the better. It's doing well. It's just that I feel that अगर इतनी restrictions नहीं होती, you know, अगर इतना groupism नहीं होता, so more people were able to tell their stories without all these monetary pressures, you know. अगर financing छोटे फिल्मों को भी मिलता and all that. So but it's always a process, and see, जिसको बनाना है और जो hit होना है होता ही है.
So 90s की बात हो रही है. So a couple of days back, I had Anu Agarwal. I did her podcast. And she told me that, you know, Bollywood actresses back in 90s, they were hypocrites. They were not well exposed. They were not advanced. They were gouty. They would do everything. Like, you know, they would have alcohol and smoke. But सामने ऐसे दिखाएंगी that, you know, क्या कहते हैं? सती सावित्री बनती थी.
Yeah.
And all these actresses, 90s ruling actresses, I don't want to take the names, but yes, you got the point. And she was the coolest. She said that, you know, I did Ashiki, I was too big that time, and I was a model, like a supermodel. I used to live in Paris and I will तो मैं जब वापस बॉलीवुड मुझे बॉलीवुड ऐसा लगा कितना गवार कोई विलेज है कोई गांव है and I was taken aback and the guys that I will chill with these were the guys Salman and Sanjay Dutt, these were the guys that I used to chill with and she never chilled with these actresses, the ruling actresses.
See, I don't know anything. I don't, like I said, I don't know her. I've never met her. But that was the culture of that time, you know. 40
so you agree that what she's saying is right? कि उस टाइम ऐसा होता था कि alcohol पी रही है
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. Not at all. But it was a culture, and I think by her pretending to be bindas or whatever, that was her choice. But बहुत बिंदास लोग थे यार. पूजा बिंदास नहीं थी क्या?
पूजा भट्ट थी ना.
So many अमृता सिंह बिंदास नहीं थी.
बिंदास थी.
So जिन्होंने जो बिंदास रहे, it's not like they suffered. They also did very well. They did their own thing. So to say that, you know, I was only one and all is a bit delulu. So जिनको होना था ऐसा वो करते थे. And see, whatever you say and however you behave, whatever you do, there is always a consequence and you have to always be prepared for the consequence.
Yeah.
अगर आपने ऐसा कुछ किया और फिर आपको लगता है कि हाँ मेरे बारे में बुरे क्यों सोच रहे हैं, then you don't have the courage of your conviction.
Agreed.
Yeah. So, you know, walk the talk. So I don't feel, of course it was a hypocritical culture, you know, it was Indian culture was like that, you know. It over the centuries it's been like that. It's you know, everything is brushed under the carpet, this and that, and there are parts of our culture that is still like that. You know, there's an elite section जो बाहर आ रही है कर बोल रहे हैं, but it is still like that. But that's also part of the culture. But आपको अगर आपको कुछ करना है तो कोई रोकता नहीं है. अगर आपको conform करना है तो करो, नहीं करना है तो नहीं करो. But always you have to take responsibility for your own actions and the consequences of your actions. You know.
No, I agree with you.
Yeah. तो दूसरों की गलती नहीं है. क्या गवार? I mean, I don't agree with that.
She said, I clearly remember her statement. अनपढ़ लोग, अनपढ़ गवार.
वो कुछ PhD थी क्या? नहीं ना.
So I'm going to send that clipping to you tonight.
I'm not interested because I don't, you know, that way by these standards, Bill Gates is unpad. You know, so many people, the top achievers of the world are unpad. So what are you talking about?
Giving it.
Ability has nothing to do with education, especially in the arts.
Yeah.
Nothing. It is to do with talent and caliber. And like I said, your stars have to align.
Yeah, I totally agree with
Vinasakala viprita buddhi.
Ah.
So don't blame the people around you. You know, take responsibility for your own actions is what I always feel, at least for myself.
Yeah.
And I tell Kaveri that also. I'm like, just make your decisions. There's nothing like right or wrong. Right or wrong is in retrospect. जब आप पीछे देखते हो तो आपको लगता है कि this was right, this was wrong.
Yeah.
But at that moment, you can consult who you want, everything. But take your own decisions and take responsibility for your decision. बाद में मत बोलो आपने बोला, आपने बोला.
No, you're right.
Yeah.
Okay, a lot of people, a lot of young generation, they don't want to get married and they are so scared of. So they're scared of marriage. I mean, आप इस चीज को कैसे देखती हैं? And is marriage really necessary?
No, I don't think it's necessary at all. Especially the way society is changing and evolving. I think lots of couples are choosing to live together. And, you know, earlier, laws were also different. For example, you needed a father's name to have a child.
Yeah.
Now you don't even need a father's name in a passport.
Okay.
So you have the freedom to have children without a spouse. You know, you don't have to name mother and father.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, yeah.
That's
so
progressive.
These are very progressive. So things have progressed, and so it's a matter of choice.
But it's not well accepted in India as of now. It has started, but not well accepted. Perhaps in metropolitan cities, but not cities like UP and Bihar and...
Yeah, it's still little elitist. You need the guts to do it, but the law is on your side.
The law is on our side.
Yeah.
Ye best.
Passport mein you don't need your husband or your father's name. I'll tell you an incident of mine that happened about few years back. And जब कावेरी छोटी थी मैंने कपूर ऐड किया था मेरे पासपोर्ट में because we used to travel. I used to travel so much that sometimes in, you know, different countries it became like but your child has a different surname, you have a different surname.
अच्छा.
You, and though she's her full name is Krishnamurthy Kapoor.
हाँ.
So I said chalo yaar, who wants this headache, मैंने Kapoor add कर दिया. So then we have the same 2 last names. So then many years later divorce हो गया. I went to remove the Kapoor from my passport. वो passport office, this must have been 6-7 years back. वो passport officer, he looks at me and obviously he must have recognized me or something, कुछ खुन्नस निकला. He's telling me divorcees को तत्काल नहीं मिलता.
He said that.
He said divorcees को तत्काल नहीं मिलता, आप 15 दिन बाद आइए. I freaked out. I started tweeting to the ministry from that, it's privatized now, so they've given it to agents, private agents. And I don't know, something happened, and then he said, come on, madam, your tatkal thing is there. But can you imagine the guts? So how much ever the laws are on your side, to change the mentality of the people also takes a lot of time. And this general misogyny and this, what's the word for it? This misogyny, is it? Patriarchy. Yeah. This mindset is very hard to kind of rub out. Yeah. I'm like, divorcee ko tatkal nahi milta. I mean, how dare you?
कैसी बातें हैं?
Yeah. So the need to stigmatize कि तू समझती क्या है अपने आप को, kind of thing. मैं आपको तुम्हें तुम्हारी लाइन में लाता. That need to dominate, to oppress, to insult.
It continues. It's still there. I mean, we need more women like you.
Yeah. No, I started tweeting. I was like, कौन सा ministry? Because he made me sit. First of all, he made me sit for some 3-4 hours. मेरे सामने से लाइन में निकल रहे थे. People who came after me, निकल रहे थे. I started researching कि passport का कौन सा office है, ये वो tags क्या है. I started tweeting. I'm sure if people go on my Twitter 5-6 years ago, they'll find these tweets.
Oh God.
So
ये कितनी साल पुरानी बात है?
I think 5-6-7 years.
5-6 years.
Yeah.
तो उस टाइम तो आपको याद होगा कि मलाइका अरोड़ा खान का भी मलाइका अरोड़ा, not Khan anymore.
Yeah.
So उनका भी divorce हो रहा था, and she was criticized extensively कि मतलब women like you जो इतने strong है, you guys are on the pedestal of success and so rebellious, and उनके साथ भी ऐसा होता है. So just imagine कि जो लड़कियां आप जैसी नहीं हैं उनके साथ.
No, exactly. So if people like us don't stand up for the rest, they'll be trampled upon, कुचल के मर जाएंगे, So no, this mindset is very, very deeply entrenched.
So a lot of my friends, they just got divorced, all these girls, and now they're like, yaar, now all the
सब Bumble और Tinder पे होंगे अभी.
हाँ, और ना. So these girls we want to marry. We are still waiting for our Prince Charming. We are just having fun. But एक दो लड़के के लिए अगर ये serious हो भी गई, इन्होंने मुझे बोला, and the moment the guy got to know that this girl is divorcee, he ran away, blocked her.
So then he didn't deserve her, and she deserves something better.
But ये अभी भी है, and the guy comes from a very good family. I mean, very progressive family. खुद की बहन भी divorcee है, by the way, उस लड़के की. But still, बीवी नहीं चाहिए divorcee. ऐसा भी होता है.
शायद virgin भी चाहिए, Yeah.
वो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
So no, so things are, and you never know. People may seem modern, and and so get to know them, they have a different mindset.
Yeah. Outlook अलग होता है और अंदर से.
Yeah.
So आप भी divorce, से गुजरी हैं.
हाँ.
आपकी जिंदगी में क्या बदलाव आया उसके बाद? कितनी strong आप रही और कैसे रही? खुद को कैसे आपने इतना काबिल बनाया that you are again back with a bang?
See, it's a process. ऐसे overnight नहीं होता है. It's a process, and बहुत turbulence के through गुजरी हूँ मैं. बहुत insecurity के साथ गुजरी हूँ मैं, because like all girls brought up how I was brought up, raised, in a urban sheltered environment. और मम्मी working lady थी, and though बहुत fiery independent थी, somewhere you first of all आप कभी imagine नहीं करते हो कि आपके life में कुछ wrong होगा. You always feel अरे I'm the blessed one, My life is a fairy tale, and exactly how I want things to happen will happen. So when that doesn't happen, बहुत मुश्किल होती है, बहुत you have to really come to terms with your life, making adjustments financially, emotionally. आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल बदली हो जाते हैं, लोग पलट जाते हैं. सो आई जब वो होता था तो आई वुड feel a little taken aback, but I feel now it's enriched my mind so much. It's made me understand human nature and life so गहराई में जो मैं समझी हूँ, कि इंसान बहुत अच्छे भी होते हैं बट इतने फिकल है कि nobody is worth stressing over.
Don't you
क्योंकि
feel
कभी भी पलट सकते हैं, frankly. अगर आपके लाइफ में आपके 2 3 4 5 लोग हैं, और मेरे बहुत है, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू माई फैमिली, आई हैव सम वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. यू आर वेरी ब्लेस्ड, क्योंकि लोगों को वो भी नहीं मिलता है.
नहीं मिलता, वो भी
yeah,
एक
yeah.
इन्वेस्टमेंट है, अगर
Yeah,
दोस्ती भी एक
yeah.
इन्वेस्टमेंट है.
दोस्ती एंड फैमिली, लोग
And
कितना
family.
फैमिली में सपोर्ट नहीं मिल पाता है लोगों को. So in that way I've been very lucky, but yeah, I think it's all it's made me, I think I owe a lot of my restless creativity to my own life experience.
कभी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि जिंदगी इतनी आगे बढ़ गई है, एक आधी जिंदगी गुजर गई है मेरी, काश मेरी जिंदगी कुछ और होती, वो एज वापस नहीं आएगा, वो वक्त वापस नहीं आएगा.
कोई वक्त वापस नहीं आएगा, ये जो हम बैठे हैं ये वक्त भी वापस नहीं आएगा. तो you can choose what you regret, and I find regret a waste of time. I find regret a waste of time. I always say this, the only thing I regret is that I treated myself so badly.
Only in the name of love.
Only in the name of love. So that is the only thing I regret, that how did I allow it? I was this confident person. I mean, I was you ask anybody who knew me, school, college, I was sunshine.
Up until now, I was thinking that you were very naive, just like how I said Kaveri is very naive.
Yeah, but I was naive. But I was
rebellious also.
I was also rebellious.
So when Mr. Shekhar Kapoor asked you to give up on your career, which was doing so good, like you were a star, you became stardom, रातों रात मिल गया आपको, and आपने ditch किया अपने audience को, by the way.
वही बोलते हैं.
You cheated on your audience.
How sweet, thank you.
कि मतलब एक मूवी आती है, फिर आप एक गाना भी करती हैं.
बहुत गाने किए मैंने.
नहीं, एक गाना जो फिल्म के बाद आई थी जो बहुत सुपर हिट हुई,
डोले डोले.
डोले डोले शादी से पहले, शादी से पहले.
हाँ, डोले डोले.
डोले डोले आई थी. तो आपको लोग देखना चाहते थे और आप गायब हो गई. Only in the name of love that he asked you to leave your job, career, everything, and you left it. Where was the rebel side in you?
See, I rebelled. At that stage, that's what I wanted. And I think because मेरी background totally non-filmy थी, totally different थी. For me, the fact that मैंने एक मलयालम में भी फिल्म की थी, किलकमपेटी, वो भी हिट हो गई. फिर एक कन्नड़ा में फिल्म की थी राजकुमार, वो भी हिट हो गई. So for me, I never had that kind of ambition, So it's not like, अगर if it was so important to me, see, I would not have given it up. That's what I'm trying to say. अगर मेरे लिए एक्टिंग इतना, स्टारडम इतना इम्पोर्टेंट था तो मैं नहीं छोड़ती. मुझे परिवार चाहिए था, मुझे घर चाहिए था, मुझे बच्चे चाहिए थे, एंड दैट इज द चॉइस आई मेड. So for me, I didn't see it as any big sacrifice at that point.
Really?
I didn't.
बाप रे, लोगों का एक थोड़ा सा कुछ करते सक्सेस मिलता है, दिमाग फिर जाता है. आपकी
So I didn't find it it was not a big sacrifice for me at that point. I was with somebody I loved. It was something I wanted. Marriage is something I insisted on, and so no, these were my decisions, and I still, like I said, the only thing I regret is how did I allow myself to become so small in my own eyes?
Because I remember you mentioning that your father was very supportive of your mother.
Yeah.
And patriarchy होता क्या है, you were not aware of.
I was not aware of
और
it.
यहाँ पे Mr. Shekhar Kapoor is
मैंने सीखा,
giving you so many conditions. तो आपके अंदर से मेरे डैड तो करते नहीं है, ये लड़के जिससे मैं प्यार करती हूँ ये ऐसे बोल रहा है करने को. खुद के अंदर आत्मा से आवाज आती थी कि यार कुछ तो गलत है, कुछ तो out of the way जाता है.
Yeah, but I was quite young that time, so I used to feel very clouded But the first time I really felt the jhatka of patriarchy and the difference, was when I was pregnant. एंड मेरे तब के फादर इन लॉ मुझे रोज फोन करके बोलते थे आई एम वेटिंग फॉर माई ग्रैंडसन सो मैं आई टू लिव इन लंदन दोज डेज सो लंदन में जेंडर टेस्टिंग सब अलाउड है एंड वी फाउंड आउट इट्स अ गर्ल एंड वी वर थ्रिल्ड एंड माय फैमिली इज जंपिंग पूजा कर रहे हैं मिठाई बांट रहे हैं and my father-in-law is still calling me every day and saying it better not be a girl. I am waiting for my grandson. It better be a grandson. I stopped talking to him. So these are times when I realize that this is extreme. It's not just ki, feeling possessive or jealous if some man is giving you attention, which many women go through. It's not necessarily patriarchy, or it's not, but I really started feeling it at this stage. कि because वो culture ही इतना अलग है. I mean, you're telling me it better not, and then, of course, I was told, no, he's senile, he's this and that. So I'm like, senility में भी जो अंदर है वो ही निकलता है ना. जैसे आप, it's like in a way, it's like a truth serum only.
So on one side, Shekhar Kapoor is making Bandit Queen, Elizabeth.
No, this was his father.
And on the other hand,
Shekhar
the father...
he used to tell me, please ignore him.
He used to tell.
Okay. Of course, he used to tell me. He was jumping. We were both jumping.
He's the best father.
Yeah, he's the best father. I will always say that. He's the best father. And unki jaan, Kaveri unki jaan hai. So he was thrilled. And he used to tell me, ignore. Just leave him.
Yeah.
So, but I was like, मैं ignore कर रही हूँ, but मेरे पीछे पड़े हैं यार. So, but I'm saying, it was the first time it really hit me कि ऐसे attitudes भी होते हैं. You've heard, गाँव में होता है. ये but ये तो दिल्ली के मशहूर डॉक्टर है जो मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि I'm waiting for my grandson. So अभी भी जो दिखाते हैं, ये जो फिल्म आई नादानिया, उसमें it was criticized so much that they are still trying for a boy. But it still happens. It still happens. एंड वेल्दी फैमिलीज में ये होता है कि मेरा बिजनेस कौन चलाएगा,
मेरा वारिस होना चाहिए,
हाँ, मेरा नाम कौन आगे लेगा. सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम पेट्रियार्की एक्चुअली हिट मी.
पर मुझे याद है आपने कहा था कि शादी के 1 साल बाद ही यू वर नॉट रियली कंफर्टेबल विद मिस्टर कपूर, बट आपने you didn't give up on him, na? You really tried hard.
See, he's a man married to his work, so no, why should I give up?
I also heard
I still haven't given up.
No, I saw you chilling with Mr. Kapoor now and then. मतलब मैं देखती रहती हूँ Instagram पे.
He's the father of my child.
Dinners
See, people don't understand. ये लोग clickbait और headline, negative headlines के पीछे भागते हैं. But once you have a child together, if you're a civilized, decent human being, that relationship is forever. You are family. तो people don't understand this. खास करके जिसके बच्चे नहीं होते वो समझेंगे नहीं, और जिसके बच्चे होते हैं वो समझेंगे. So I always feel that whatever happens, he's been a great father to Kaveri. Yeah. He's given her a great life, and it's life, yeah. It's life.
It's life. Move on. Yeah.
Time and I don't have the bandwidth for that kind of negativity or hatred towards anybody.
Yeah.
Towards anybody.
I saw that video where you and Mr. Shekhar Kapoor and center में कावेरी है उसकी film.
It was on her birthday and then of course for her film,
बहुत अच्छा visual.
So हमारी बच्ची है साथ में, तो once you have a child together, your family.
मतलब if you're अगर झगड़ा हो रहा है तो criticize, साथ में रह रहे हैं तो criticize, बात कर रहे हैं तो criticize, मतलब
bottom of moral of the story is who cares, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, काम धंधा है ही नहीं. और so you cannot live your life by other people's appreciation or validation or criticism, because फिर तो आप पागल हो जाएंगे.
Correct.
Yeah.
Do you believe in the power of manifestation?
See, it's so hype now. But आपको नहीं लगता कि अगर manifestation ही हर चीज था तो हम भी बिल गेट्स बन जाते, हम भी एलॉन मस्क बन जाते. तो ऐसा बैठ के सोचो, मैं कल मेरे इसमें $10 million आएंगे. ऐसा नहीं होता है यार. एफर्ट से होता है, वाइब्रेशन से होता है, फ्रीक्वेंसी से होता है.
करेक्ट.
किस्मत से होती है. So this manifestation thing, please, I mean, great if it works for you. I think positive thoughts work. I think not letting your mind sink into negativity and what should I say?
You need to vibrate on that frequency, I think.
And you need to, this is what I call toxic positivity. Everything is so beautiful, everything is great, everything is perfect, life is. आपके सामने कोई मर रहा है, at least acknowledge that. So it is a kind of closed minded insanity.
Yeah.
You know, where you're oblivious to reality.
Of
course manifest बहुत हो रहा है, मतलब it's become ridiculous, you know. So it is as, at one level it's as ridiculous कि आप वो एक दाना लो तुलसी का और एक क्लो का पत्ता लो और ये नंबर लिखो यहाँ पे,
पैसा आ जाएगा.
तो
कॉन्वलेक्सा, you know that कॉन्वलेक्सा बोलो, ये कोई स्पेनिश वर्ड है, फ्रेंच वर्ड है, स्विच वर्ड है. कॉन्वलेक्सा लोग करने लग गए कि पैसे आ रहे हैं अकाउंट में. I don't know क्या.
So this is also a kind of manifestation only. They feel they can just manifest, and it's not. I think it's a whole lot of brainwash. Yeah.
And
I think there's much more to. Of course, you can align your thoughts, but ultimately nothing happens without effort and without God's grace. You know, आप effort करो, God's grace है तो आपको मिल जाएगा. पर आप ये मत सोचो कि आप ऐसे बैठ के टीवी देखते रहोगे और आपके बैंक अकाउंट में कल $10 million आएंगे. नहीं आएंगे.
I agree with you. I agree. But I know for the fact that you manifested Mr. Shekhar Kapoor in your life.
Yeah.
Tell me that story.
हाँ, जो मैं बहुत छोटी थी, and I used to say जब मैं बड़ी होंगी तो I'll marry either इमरान खान और शेखर कपूर. मैं बोलती थी, you know what I mean. सर हो गया.
ऐसा कैसे हो गया ना, सरियल लग रहा है सुन के. आपके साथ तो हुआ है, आपको लगा होगा ना कि यार because he's 30 years.
Yeah, but उस वक्त हो गया. But I don't think I manifested it.
No?
I was not like अरे मैं इनसे मिलना चाहती हूँ. It just happened. It was destiny.
एक 30 साल बड़े इंसान को प्यार करना कैसे हुआ प्यार उस जमाने में? मतलब
अब लोग को एज डिफरेंस की बहुत they've pointed it out so much to me, but at that stage I didn't feel it. At that stage even the public didn't feel it because we looked correct, you know.
You look correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
So these things are karmic. I feel ये सब हम कर्मा निभाने आए हैं, कर्मा निभा के जाते हैं.
And you also said that this relationship is karmic relationship.
Yeah.
But karmic relationship मेरे को समझना है क्या होता है असल मायने में, अगर समझा जाए तो एक कार्मिक रिश्ता किसे कहते हैं?
पता नहीं, मुझे तो लगता है ये सब कार्मिक है. आई थिंक आवर रिलेशनशिप विद आवर फैमिली इज कार्मिक. You know, whoever's there in our life, our close friends are karmic, and definitely family and our partners and all are karmic.
What is your birthday?
27th November.
You're number 9.
Yeah.
Ruled by Mangal, Mars.
Is it?
Yeah. And very furious and very
volatile. I'm very volatile.
है ना?
Yeah. मैं टेम्पर करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ पर वो निकल आता है.
And you also have a lot of energy. थकते नहीं हो आप, है ना?
नहीं.
On the go रहते हो.
Insane energy, which is why I have to keep doing things because I know that. And I tell this to all creative people. I feel creativity is a panacea.
Yeah.
It's a cure for everything.
Yeah.
तो अगर आप वो energy creation में नहीं लगाओ तो वो बहुत ही destructive energy बनता है. You know, फिर आप बोलते हैं इसने ऐसा क्यों किया, इतना खराब लग रही है ये वो. But if you channelize that into your own creativity, you can focus, you can create things beautiful. I mean, you know.
A lot of people say
you can create a beautiful life, I think, if you're just open to being creative.
Yeah. Okay, is physical infidelity okay if you're not cheating on if you're not cheating your partner emotionally? Like emotional infidelity.
To each their own.
Huh?
To each their own.
What is your opinion on this?
I don't think any marriage has long-term marriage has been without infidelity. All marriages have been through infidelity. So people make a choice whether to stay on or not. And see, for some people it's not important. For some people it's important. So कोई बोल नहीं सकता कि how can you tolerate this or why should you tolerate this. or you should tolerate this. It's a very individual choice. It's a very individual choice.
What do you think? I want to know your opinion on this.
Um, I don't think infidelity is a deal breaker.
Yeah.
And I can say with guarantee that I think most marriages, long-term marriages, have probably survived more than one indiscretion.
I agree.
Yeah.
The other day I had an
देखिए आपके दोस्त कुछ गलत करते हैं तो you say ना forget it यार, move on, don't beat yourself. Yeah. So after a while all relationships ऐसे ही होते हैं अगर रखना है तो
अच्छा मुझे बताइए कि क्या मर्दों की वायरिंग अलग होती है औरतों से?
Completely.
ज्यादा चीटिंग और इनफिडेलिटी उनकी तरफ से
No,
आती
but
है.
our bodies are different. See, it's outside versus inside.
Yeah.
अब सोचो अगर हर थॉट पे आपका नाक इतना बड़ा हो जाए तो आपकी पूरी लाइफ ही डिफरेंट होगी ना. There is no comparison. You know what I'm saying? Our bodies are different and our minds are also controlled by our bodies. It's outside versus inside.
Yeah.
It's internal versus external.
Yeah.
It's visual versus emotional. So it is very external, internal. And
a lot of girls say that, when I ask them that what qualities are you looking for in a partner, they say loyalty. I said वो नहीं मिलने वाला. मैं ढूंढूंगी but नहीं मिलता आजकल loyalty.
No, I know a lot of very, very happy and successful marriages. Very. Like I said, they may have survived an indiscretion or two, but very respectfully, very, very वो मर्यादा कभी नहीं छोड़ा, वो लॉयल्टी कभी नहीं छोड़ी. I have friends who are very happily married. I have family members who are very happily married. और इतना मतलब झगड़ते हैं सब, but वो जो oneness है ना, nothing can break it. That is also loyalty. Sometimes just somebody just being there for you unconditionally is loyalty.
I agree with you.
And I know a lot of very, very happy relationships inside marriage, outside marriage. So I don't think you should I don't think my example is an example to the world. I would still say go out, find love. If you want to get married, but don't think anything is at the end of the world, because there's always tomorrow.
There's always tomorrow.
Yeah.
शाहरुख खान के बारे में कुछ बताइए. मुझे पता है आपको इस क्वेश्चन से बहुत इरिटेशन होता है.
मतलब मैं sometimes embarrassed feel करती हूँ कि इतना I escape the question and मैं इतने सालों से there's no contact. मैं I don't feel I have the right to speak about him anymore.
Yeah.
So if I speak today, it's as the public. You know what I'm saying?
30 years हो गए ना इस चीज को. Maybe more than that, नहीं, 30 years.
Approx, yeah.
31 years.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is, I admire him. I think he's a man of extreme intelligence, and he's a man of destiny. He's God's child. But beyond that, I have nothing to say.
How was your camaraderie with him? I think you chilled more with Gauri Khan than with him. No?
Yeah.
And he was smitten by Gauri Khan. ऐसा कुछ था ना, बताइए ना थोड़ा.
अरे बोर हो गई यार.
अरे एक बार मेरे शो पे तो
नहीं
ये लास्ट टाइम हो रहा है. इसके बाद किसी को नहीं बताएंगी कि शाहरुख कैसा था.
नहीं, it was all good, and I'm grateful to have been part of that film, and I think Kundan was now when I think back, I think Kundan understood me so well. I was such a kind of clueless creature at that time. I was totally clueless. So but what he brought out was beautiful.
And the film was completely owned by you.
See, I keep saying this, मैंने कुछ effort किया नहीं उस film में. मैं जो थी, he just brought out the best parts of me, It's not like I struggled to be a certain way or anything. It was just at that stage of my life, I had that innocence, I had that naivete. I would say at that stage of my life, I was probably Anna, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we are moving on to our last segment. All right. I'm going to ask you a few questions. What's the most worst bakwas advice you have got from an intelligent person?
Most bakwas. वो बकवास advice मिलता रहता है. You know, it's human nature.
Wow.
I think the most bakwas advice people give is to tell you to do exactly the opposite of what you're asking them you should do.
Nah.
Yeah. Or when you don't even ask them, why don't you do this? अरे मैंने पूछा क्या? So I think ये जो ज्ञान देते हैं ना लोग, बकवास है.
Yeah.
Unless somebody really asks for your advice,
Yeah.
it's your responsibility to keep shut, because people get so swayed, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What's that one thing you can't live without in your daily life?
My daughter, Shwijipa, and my babies, my Moon and Macha, my sons.
I have met them.
Yeah. The Shih Tzus.
The Shih Tzus.
Yeah.
I also have Shih Tzus.
Yeah.
Female.
Yeah. So I'm obsessed with them.
I love you.
Yeah. They sing. They're singing Shih Tzus.
I remember when I had come over to your place for our first interview. I love you. They were doing so cute.
Yeah.
ये सीखा है उन्होंने?
मेरे से सीखा है. वो सारे काम आप करते हैं हमारे साथ.
क्या बात कर
जब
रही
हम
हैं?
रियाज करते हैं तो वो बैठ के करते हैं. They love music. They're the singing Shih Tzus.
Can you send me those videos?
I'll
incorporate those videos.
Yeah, of course.
In this video interview.
Yeah.
Okay, what's that one weird or annoying habit that you have?
Oh, I talk without thinking sometimes. In fact, most often.
Is that annoying? You are just being vocal.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. But sometimes, you know, it's not necessary. I've realized it's more important to be kind than be honest.
What's that one thing you wish you knew before entering the film industry and before marrying Shikhar Kapoor?
That I was way too young.
Yeah. What's that one food you can have at least for 6 months daily without getting bored? That one particular dish you can relish each day till 6 months and still relishing?
Nothing.
Really?
Nothing.
I heard Anushka Sharma can have khichdi and bagan ka bhaja for 6 months, and she did that also.
That's why she's so thin.
If you could recreate any iconic Bollywood song, which one would you choose?
It's very strange, but this is a song I even want to do a cover on, you know. तुम्हें हो न हो मुझको तो इतना यकीन है मुझे प्यार तुमसे नहीं है नहीं मुझे प्यार तुमसे नहीं है नहीं है तुम्हें हो न हो.
Beautiful.
है ना? Such a lovely song. It's one of the most underrated songs, I feel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I know this song.
Yeah, and I feel it should become like an anthem because this whole thing, you know, about love and confusion and all is so, so rampant right now. Yeah, so people should not confuse attraction with love, and you know. Yeah.
What's the weirdest or most unusual gift you have ever received?
Nothing, yeah. And gifts are always welcome and pleasant. Yeah.
Any crazy fan encounter?
नहीं, देखो अभी सब DM करते हैं, but पहले we used to get fan mail in blood and all ना.
आपको भी मिले?
Yeah. Of course, it was a biggie.
बहुत सारे 90s actresses ने बात बोली है.
Blood में now whether it was real blood or no, test नहीं करते थे हम लोग. But blood में it was supposedly in blood.
आना तो मेरी हो.
Ana, dole, lots of things, you know.
Yeah. If you could choose any Bollywood actor to accompany you on a vacation to Maldives, who would it be and why?
Bollywood actor?
Yeah.
No chance, none of them.
Please.
No.
Hypothetically, you can say.
Huh?
Hypothetically.
Dilip Kumar, chal.
You just want to play so safe now. Dilip Kumar.
But I don't find any of them like somebody I would want to go to Maldives with.
What
There
are
are
you
a few
saying?
directors I find very hot.
Please, okay, ठीक है, I will change my.
I can't
question.
take their name. उनकी बीवी पड़ जाएगी मेरे पीछे. उनकी बीवियां rather. There are a few of them.
If you're stuck in an elevator with Shekhar Kapoor and Preeti Zinta, what would you do?
I'd pretend I wasn't there. I'd pretend that that moment was not happening. And I'd wait for the elevator to open.
So close your eyes.
I don't even have to close my eyes. I can just blank it out. It's just me and my God.
अरे बाप रे. Again कुछ controversy हो सकता है, मुझे बस बोला आप.
That's nahi, but it's a fact. Yeah.
Lovely. But thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. You were excellent in this
Sporting
segment. आजकल मैं देख रही हूँ सब रेसिपी दे रहे. एक छोटा सा अच्छा सा रेसिपी बता दीजिए हमारे व्यूअर्स को, फटाफट जो बना सकते हैं.
Rasam.
रसम. Okay, go on.
Okay, so you boil your tur dal. Okay, take 1 katori or whatever, and you boil it separately in a cooker. Then you add put little oil and mustard and jeera, lots of jeera, and then you put hing, and you fry and put tomatoes. Imli ko soak karke you take out the ras, and then you put the imli ka pani, and then you add the rasam powder, lots of, and get very good quality rasam powder. There are few brands that are good, some are not good. Very good rasam powder. फिर boil करो तब जब तक झाग नहीं निकले. Once वो झाग निकले, then you add the dal, boil it, and then again you do a chunk of little garlic, lots of kadi patta, and put the chunk with ghee, pure ghee, and kothmeer smear karo, and hot rice के साथ खाना.
Wow, I'm drooling. After this interview, I'm gonna have rasam and
I
rice
love rasam rice
from banana leaf.
Yeah. मैं बहुत अच्छा रसम बनाती हूँ.
So you should invite me also na
Okay,
sometime.
done.
किसी festival पे. Only we are meeting for our interviews.
Yeah, done.
Yeah. Okay. अब सबसे बड़ा सवाल, आपको अपनी खुद की काबिलियत पे अगर सबसे ज्यादा नाज है तो वो काबिलियत कौन सी है? You want to pat your back for that, Suchitra, you did so good. What is that one quality that you have and you're so proud of that quality?
I think I've learned to become so self-reliant. So self-reliant that I don't think anybody's presence or absence will jolt me anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You and your solitude, or maybe you and your company.
I'm not in solitude, but just my self-reliance. You know, that I've learned to just depend on nobody but myself.
Is that easy?
No, it takes time. It's a process, but it's doable.
And do you find yourself happy in that space?
Very happy.
Yeah.
Because then the only person who can disappoint you is yourself, and that's in your control.
And you have nobody to blame.
You have nobody to blame, and the only person who can make some things happen is also yourself.
Wow.
So I think that's a quality I've developed.
I'm taking away a lot from this interview.
Okay.
Very heart-to-heart conversation we had. Like,
yes.
मेरे भी काफी 2-3 सवालों.
And I think I think this is something that I'm saying women because I think I know the conditioning of women, and I think I understand women more than I understand men. I don't understand men. So I would think it's something for everybody to aspire to, if they can. Yeah. Because then it even makes the world around you happier, the people around you happier. वो need नहीं है. So when there's no need, there's only love. Yeah.
I am so happy to have you on my show, and I wish you immense success.
Thank you.
For your podcast and in life,
Thank you.
In general in life.
Thank you.
More power to you, Suchitra. Lots of love. And
Thank
give my
you.
love to Matcha and
Moon. Yes.
And to Kaveri.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, this was Suchitra Krishnamurthy, and I would want you all to watch this interview and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this interview. मिलते हैं जल्दी ही किसी और सितारे के साथ. Till then, this was me, Nandini Roy, signing off. Thank you.